It's a glorious Saturday morning and we're at 53 Whiteley Road in Miallo, far north Queensland. This property is 2.5 acres, just shy of 2.5 acres. There is some flat areas for the kids to run and play. There is a children's playground here that is staying with this property. And we're going to have a sneak peek at the pole home perfection. Fully concreted driveway, all weather access from the road. Fantastic rainforest surrounds as you come up. Parking for 2 vehicles under here and perhaps another 2 out here. This home has been recently renovated and it is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Downstairs, the all-important workbench. Into the first room, quite a large room, fully air-conditioned, fans, screens, louver windows, and built-in robes. This is quite a generous room and would suit a teenager. Out from this room, straight onto the lower balcony. And this is your aspect. Not a bad way to wake up. So we've just come out of this room. We'll go back in. And the light's on. There's another little room over here. This one not so big. We consider this the office or 5th bedroom if you take the desk out. It has got a built-in robe, so technically you could make it a single bedroom. Aircon, fly screens, fans, everything you need. And again, that fantastic aspect outside. Directly across the way, the bathroom that services these 2 bedrooms has a beautiful shower, big linen cupboard, also doubles as the laundry. So this is where you'd have your washing machine and dryer. This up here is a chute, so the upstairs bathrooms can just throw their laundry down the chute and it will land down here in the laundry. I'm now going to take you up the stairs to the top level.